Okay, so for my goal for this video is to show how to use Kahoot for educators or for anyone who wants to make a quiz. So the first thing you do to use Kahoot is to go to kahoot.com. You will set up a username and password, and I already did that, so I'll just enter my username or email. And you'll log in. And the target audience is educators. In the sharing, I will share this video with my future co-teachers. Now, Kahoot is a great way for assessments in the classroom. So this is how I will probably do my assessments in the future. So I'm going to go to Kahoot's right here in the upper tab. And here, right here is my quiz that I've already made. And so let's just see this one first. So I'm going to click this three dot thing and click edit. And these are questions that I already made, like, does your child like to read? What is your favorite subject, favorite sport to play? This is something that like I would give on the first day of school to know my students better. So then I'm going to click exit. And so let's just create a new one. So I'm going to click on the in green, create new. I'm going to click create new quiz again. And I'll just make up a quiz. So you'll put the title of the quiz. Let's just say Spanish quiz. You'll make a description if you want to. You can click the visibility. So if you just want to see this quiz, you can do that. Or if you want to make it public, click everyone. You can also pick what language you want. Today I'm going to do English. And you can also see you can put an intro video and credit resources. So let's say I got done with that. Make sure you do a description. And you can just click add question. And I'll put, what does K mean in Spanish? So I made my question. You can click the time limit. You can, I don't know what that says. Oh, award points. And you can put your answers right here. You can get up to 4. So I'll just put what or who. And I'll click next. I can also add an image too. Make sure you click a correct answer. So I added that question. Let's just say that's the end of my Spanish quiz. I can preview it, I can play it, I can share it. We'll just preview it right now. And this is what it would look like. You can do classic, you can do team mode, and you can access this by your students' phones. It'll give you a PIN, so the students will have to enter the PIN. You can click enter. Okay. We'll just start this game. Okay, so I think you need, like, obviously someone to play. That was just to show you how to do it. And then, yeah, so that's basically how you create a quiz on Kahoot. You can also click on reports, and it can give you like what student answered what, and it's a very easy assessment tool you can use in your classroom. Okay.